besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your star girl Macks, and if you're new on this channel, welcome to each and every of my returning subscribers. Thank you for stopping by, thank you for watching, thank you for commenting, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing these videos on this channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you guys how I achieve a smoky eye effect on my client. Remember, smoky eye is one of the toughest eye makeup to do, and it requires a whole lot of blending. And remember, when you're blending, you have to blend properly so that there are no visible demarcation in your makeup. So guys, I'll be teaching you guys how I was able to achieve a very nice smoky eye look for my client. I decided to record this video because I was like, I haven't really done a smoky eye in years. The last time I did a smoky eye makeup was in the year 2020 or so. So guys, I will be teaching you guys once more how to achieve it. Remember, smoky eyes makeup is only tough when you feel like it is tough. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to transition with my powder. I like to transition in any makeup look, any eyeshadow look I'm doing. I love to transition using my crease brush. I like to make use of my crease brush to transition. As you can see, I am blending in properly. Always blend in, please. Take your time. Eyeshadow, you have to blend in eyeshadow. I'll be going in straight now with my classic lip stain in the shade Thunder, and I'll be using that as a base. I'll be using my concealer brush to gently apply it to the section that I want it to be at, and gradually guys, you'll see how I'm going to be taking my powder palette to apply on it. I'll be applying, and while I'm applying, I'm blending. While I'm applying, I'm blending. I like to pat my eyeshadow. Always pat your eyeshadow. I love to pat my eyeshadow a lot. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by once more. Kindly tell me the kind of content you want to be watching from time to time. Bye.